Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily C4 for August 12, 2024. Okay, let's go. The first letter, which letter N, need natin ang dash dot. Okay. And then for the second words, which letter O, need natin ang dash dash dash. There we go. And then for the third one, which letter N, need natin ang dash dot. Okay. And then for the fourth one, which letter C, need natin ang dash dot dash dot. There we go. And then for the last word, which letter E, need natin ang dot. Okay, the words for today is nonce. Okay, take the prize. Please support